Motu?
Motu. Somewhere near Bora Bora. Bora Bora is over there. Chilling.
There's Bora Bora. There's our ride. It's gone. We've been marooned. I think I'm okay with it.
This small motu across the lagoon from Bora Bora had approximately 10 million hermit crabs living on it, or, as David likes to call them, spiders with shells. We were given free rein of this small, uninhabited island for the afternoon and quickly discovered some pretty fantastic tide pools. Is that a creature? Let me see. Bring it back. We'll make it talk.
Whole side of the soap dish.
Hello. How are you doing?
A molluscologist walks into a bar and he clams up.
Okay, maybe we had a mild case of island fever. The next day, we went to a real Tahitian pearl farm that's been in the same family for 3 generations. We learned all about how pearls are created, farmed, and then valued and sold.
Okay. So the grafter to make a pearl need 2 oysters, the receiving, the giving oyster. So first, he chooses an oyster with nice color inside, because the color inside will determine the color of the pearl after. Okay. Particularity of this species, they can give us different color. When we saw oyster with nice color, this one we will sacrifice it. After on the lips here, the grafter cuts some pieces of 2 mm by 2 mm. We call those pieces graft tissue. We can have about 20 graft tissue per oyster. So this one is the giving, because we take the graft tissue on it, and because she have a nice color inside. After he work on the receiving oyster. For the receiving oyster, it can be anyone else. So, but this one we just work like slicing open like that, because this one have to stay alive. Inside of the receiving, the grafter make an incision on the reproducing organ here, the small pouch here, the small incision, and put inside first a nucleus, a round guide. To have this round shape, we need a round guide. So this round ball made from this shell, we cut directly in the shell, and this shell made from the Mississippi River in US, the claim of Mississippi. So the nucleus is inside, and the grafter add the graft tissue taking on the giving oyster. 1 graft tissue, 1 nucleus, all inside of the pouch. If we have 20 graft tissue, we can graft 20 receiving oyster. Each receiving have a nucleus and a graft tissue inside. Okay? After we close the receiving, and they go on the farm for 18 months again. So after we can make many pearls with the same oyster. After the 18 months, we bring back again the receiving here. The grafter make a second incision on the pouch and remove the first pearl. So, if the first pearl is really nice and we look the shape, the luster, we can continue the surgraft. Surgraft is put another nucleus of the same size of the pearl taken. Boom. We close again the receiving, and they go again 18 months on the farm. So first, you take the oyster, the receiving. Remove the wedge. After she prepare the potion. So she cut the byssus. The byssus is with that she go somewhere, stick somewhere, and grow somewhere. But they live actually in the basket, so they don't need the byssus again. So she make an incision. Choose the right size for the nucleus. Take the nucleus. Put the nucleus inside of the pouch. You can go behind her if you want to see. Put the nucleus inside. After she takes the graft tissue, one of the pieces, and add the graft tissue all inside the pouch.
its size, exactly. And the outside is the mother of pearl that was secreted during mating. So that's and the most valuable is its size and same quality. You see also the different colors depending on the craft tissue. But the colors won't affect the value. It's only a question of personal taste. The only three things that can affect the value, they're the size, the shape, and the color.
With our wallets significantly lighter, we headed off to yet another motu, where we heard that the best snorkeling in all of French Polynesia could be found. Well, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!